Hello again. My name is Gladzy, and I'm an artist at Imagination Design Studios. Yesterday, I got a request on the website to draw a T-Rex. If you have a request, let us know on social media or visit idskids.com/kidsclub to submit one. So grab your materials and remember to pause if you need time to catch up. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So grab your pencil and paper and start by drawing a rounded rectangle on the top right of your page. So just about there. So you curve the edge of your rectangle and then also curve the sides. Do that on top, the sides, and also at the bottom. This will be the basic shape of our T-Rex's head. Next, draw a slightly smaller circle at the bottom left of your page. So just a little bit far from your rectangle here. So like in our previous videos, you start fairly light until you become comfortable, and then slightly darken the edges as you go. This is going to be our guide for the T-Rex's body. Next, draw a curve for the belly. This will connect over here at the bottom part of your rounded rectangle and then go all the way across, going to the bottom of the circle that we drew earlier. So like a wave line here. After that, you draw another curve to connect the neck to the back of our T-Rex. So you can also start by drawing like this and then curve upward. And going back to where our belly ended earlier, you can draw a slightly longer curve for the bottom of your T-Rex's tail. And then connect that curve, and from this point on, go all the way across and connect it to the back of your T-Rex. You can also curve it slightly to give it a more organic look. Next, we'll draw the smile line. So you can start by drawing another curved shape, just like so, and then go curve upward. So like a wave. This kind of gives him more of that smiling face look. And then end it like our previous tutorials with another curve at the end. You can draw multiple triangles below his mouth for his teeth. So it'll be a V shape or an upside down triangle. You can draw as many teeth as you like. Next, we're drawing his eyes. So just like our previous tutorials, you start by drawing an oval shape. This time, you can slightly align it at the end of your mouth, and so draw the circle just around the top of it. And then you draw a smaller circle inside of it. You can also shade it if you would like. Yay! Next, we're drawing his nose. And for that, you can start by drawing an upside down teardrop shape, and then you shade it in. And to add more depth, you can draw his eyebrows a little bit over the rectangle that we drew earlier. And same for his nostrils. Draw it just like that. Yay! And now it's starting to look a little too square. You can also use this point here and slowly draw the curve a little downward so he looks more friendlier. So we are going to erase a little bit of that to improve the shape of his face. And same for this line here. We're going to erase just a little bit, half of it, so we can draw his jawline a little rounder and smoother. So you can start here and then just go all the way down the bottom and then erase the lines that you don't need anymore. You can also slightly round out the back of his head. There you go, now he's starting to look like a T-Rex. Next, we're drawing his arms. So T-Rex, they generally have really small arms. So you can start by drawing a straight line down here. You can slightly curve it, and then a horizontal line, so like the letter L. And then you draw another one, just a little bit on top of that, and then draw another L for his arm. You can slightly curve it this way and then curve this one outward to give him more meat. And then next one's the tricky part, it's adding the claws. So you can start by connecting this line and going all the way down again. And then this line here, you go all the way down. And then you can connect these two by drawing an upside down V. Go. And to add the claws, you just draw a line across each one. You can emphasize it by adding another line there. Next, we're drawing the arm just a little bit behind him. So this one's going to be slightly tucked in and it won't be seen as much. So you can even stretch it a little forward. So just draw a horizontal line and a vertical line again. And then curve it downward. And then draw this one here. Then another line. And then curve it down. Next, we're drawing his legs. So you start by drawing an oval shape, just like so. As to where our previous circle was sitting, you draw an oval shape just a little bit over the belly. And then a smaller oval shape just at the bottom, but slanted this way. Another triangle here. So here you go. After that, you draw his claws, and you can start by drawing an upside down tear shape again. Do 3 of those. And because this is the front view, all of them are equally the same. Yay! And then the last part is the back leg. So for that one, you drew almost the exact same process, but instead of drawing the full oval shape, you can just draw a curve. So you can draw that curve starting here, and then down, and then this foot can go slanted this way. Do the exact same thing here, and then slanted that way. Because this is the back leg, you can draw the claws starting here, and so 1, 2, and then 3. So you have a little bit of room at the bottom there. So make sure they're pointy. And there you go. Now you have a T-Rex. Now we can erase everything else. There you go. Now you've drawn a T-Rex. Congratulations! Thank you for following along with our lesson today. We'd love to see your drawings, so either post them in the comment section or use the hashtag IDS Kids Club. We might even share your drawing for everyone to see. So stay creative and keep healthy, everyone. Thank you for visiting. Bye now.